Hello, I'm going to show you how to make the Dungeness. I got this from Costco. So I got one Dungeness and got 3 slices of ginger and 1 ounce of green onion, a separate that white and green separate, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. For the sauce, I'm using half cup water, 1½ oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili bean sauce. Okay, then I'm gonna put all the sauce together first. Put the oyster sauce, some sugar, some black pepper, and some chili sauce. Okay, for the Dungeness, I'm gonna put just a cornstarch in it. That's all. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix well. Okay, let me change my grab. The wok is hot, so I'm going to put some oil in it. I'm going to put all the stuff in. Looking good. I'm going to remove it. So in the same wok, I'm going to put a little bit oil in it. I'm going to put the ginger in it. And the white part of onion. Put all the stuff back into the wok. Then I put some cooking oil in it. Then I'm going to put the salt in it too. And I cook until the sauce dry up a little bit. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put the green onion in it. Okay, this is all done. Let me turn off the heat. Okay, that's what I make today, the Dungeness with chili bean sauce.